MathKlik.
Mabuhay! How can you factor an expression like this? In this lesson, let us discuss common monomial factors and common monomial factoring. Malaking tulong sa pag-unawa ng mga lessons sa factoring kung magbabalik-aral ka sa multiplication at special product ng algebraic expressions. Factors are numbers when multiplied together gives one of the numbers or may result in another number. Halimbawa, ang 3 at 7 ay mga factors ng 21. Maaari din naman na ang mga factors ay algebraic expressions. Ang product na 2x plus xy ay mula sa mga factors na x at 2 plus y. So, what is factoring then? Factoring is the process of finding what numbers or expressions were multiplied that resulted in the given number or expression. For example, what numbers, when multiplied together, gives a product of 35. Of course, these numbers are 5 and 7. And 5 and 7 are factors of 35. Factoring can also be thought of as the reverse process of multiplication. So, if you are asked to factor the number 77, simply recall the multiplication fact that 11 times 7 is 77. Therefore, the factors of 77 are 11 and 7. In multiplying the binomial a minus 3 by the monomial a, the application of the distributive property will yield a squared minus 3a. Hence, the factored form of a squared minus 3a is a times a minus 3. Factoring out a monomial factor common among the terms of a given polynomial is a type of factoring technique that must be prioritized in any factoring problem. This type is called common monomial factoring. Let's discuss our first example. In the expression 2x plus xy, the monomial x is common among the terms 2x and xy. Let's factor this out. Since the given polynomial is a binomial, the other factor must be a binomial too. To find the terms of the binomial factor, we mentally divide each term of the given binomial 2x plus xy by the common monomial factor x. 2x divided by x is 2, and xy divided by x is y. Hence, 2x plus xy is equal to x times 2 plus y. Let's take another example. Factor 6a minus 3b. What monomial factor is common among the terms of 6a minus 3b? Wala kang makikitang common literal monomial factor. Pero, may numerical monomial factor na common sa 6a at 3b. At iyan ay 3. May factor na 3 sa 6 at may factor na 3 sa 3. Kaya i-factor out natin ang 3. Take note that a minus sign is between the terms 6a and 3b. Thus, the binomial factor must also have a minus sign. To find the terms of the other factor, we divide each term of the given binomial 6a minus 3b by the common monomial factor 3. 6a divided by 3 is 2a, and 3b divided by 3 is b. Hence, 6a minus 3b is equal to 3 quantity 2a minus b. Here is another example. Can you identify the common monomial factor in the trinomial 2y cubed minus 8y squared plus 14y? If you say that the common monomial factor is 2, then you are correct. If you say that the common monomial factor is y, you are also correct. But we have to consider the greatest common monomial factor present in 2y cubed minus 8y squared plus 14y. And that is 2y. And this is the monomial factor that we are going to factor out. The greatest common monomial factor, or GCF, and its role in factoring will be discussed in the next video. To find the terms of the other factor, we divide each term of the given trinomial 2y cubed minus 8y squared plus 14y by the greatest common monomial factor 2y. 2y cubed divided by 2y is y squared. Negative 8y squared divided by 2y is negative 4y. And 14y divided by 2y is 7. Hence, 2y cubed minus 8y squared plus 14y is equal to 2y, quantity y squared minus 4y plus 7. Now, try this. Factor the expression 4am plus 9arm. The factored form is factor the expression 39u minus 91v. The factored form is 13 quantity 3u minus 7v. Factor the expression 9z minus 15z squared minus 36z cubed plus 24z to the 4th. The factored form is 3z quantity 3 minus 5z minus 12z squared plus 8z cubed. For more matitinik tips, just click MathKlik. And please, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for our next video lesson. See ya!